want to get a quick reaction from you on Judge Frost's decision today.
Well, we're looking at the decision. I just got it. I've not really had a chance to read the whole opinion. We are considering filing an appeal of the decision based on the underlying rationale, which has been consistent from Judge Frost. And that's the same argument that we had before. We think the rationale is not legally correct. And even though we, quote, won this case, we think it presents some huge problems from just a practical point of view in the future. And so we're looking at it. We have not decided we're going to appeal, but we very well may appeal this decision.
What part of his
goes back to the same underlying issue of equal protection that I've talked about before and talked with you about before, that we don't think this is the proper standard. We think he's applying the wrong standard. But I'm not going to get into it much more until I really have a chance to look at it and make a decision. Once we make a decision, then we'll be able to tell you exactly what we're going to do and why we're doing it.
But at this point, we're all clear for executions, or at least this next one going forward.
It would appear so, based on the reading of this opinion.
And just, do you know, as far as the two that were postponed, the Lorraine and I think it was Webb, what happens with those? Did the prosecutors have to refile for an execution date? Is this something your office has to do?
It has to go. It has to go back in, and let me check on that to tell you exactly the status. I can't tell you.
Okay.
I will check on that, and I can get that for you, sir.